Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you a BMW workshop where all the cars are refurbed. Basically it's a huge workshop, you can see. We have around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floors, okay, with parking and body shop work. So this is the customer bay parking. And there's an EV charging point. It's a new i7. These are all parked cars. So I'll show you our reception. Customer waiting area, this side, and some accessories. Diesel additive, petrol additive, alloys. Again the accessories, 7-layer coating. This is a bare metal, ED coat, filter, body, primer. This is the way the painting is done. BMW match. So this is where the beginning is done, where car is taken on the ramp and checks are done. It's a wheel alignment zone, and in the basement we have a huge parking for vehicles which are completed. This is the rear side of the workshop. This is where the washing area is. One of the car is getting washed very thoroughly. So I've shared the video for the paint booth. You can check in my channel.